XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within here, we discussed how we can look for trade. And I mentioned I prefer to get at least one next drop and one more drop before we look for the reversal. Exactly, this is what we get. And whoever get the trade for buy within this correction, if they take out the profit is good. At least they could make a small profit. But if they're intending to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we move to a higher time frame. Is XRP at this point is not moving really sharp, similar to other charts. But for me, I'm expecting the continuation as a sharp move. That's why for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And that's mean I will trade. If it's moving in my direction, I will keep. If not, I will take out the trade. What I want to say is that if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if it's not moving our direction, at least we should know how to manage it. Because for me, I'm expecting the next move can be really sharp. Okay. And this is my idea. Anyway, if we move to higher time frame, if we move to weekly chart, as I mentioned, we're looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent. Because with the breakout of the 94, we can look for the other levels. But the breakout of the 94 as a is really important for me. And based on weekly chart, you want to see whether this is a correction or we can expect this one drop and be similar to any of this before we see the continuation. Because if the continuation as a corrective, we are not really interested to see the continuation as a corrective. We are looking for the sharp move. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it based on lower time frame. But if it's not moving our direction, we shouldn't keep the trade because the continuation as a corrective for like my next drop, we need to be aware of this. But we are not looking for sell. We're looking for buy. Okay. Now I'm looking at this. If this one turned to a correction, any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, I will take it, and this is what I'm looking for. But based on weekly chart, we don't see any opportunity for buy, any trade setup. And we are not referring to the indicators because it doesn't give us any information. And if you move to daily chart, now the question is, as I mentioned in my last analysis, if this one give us next drop, the price tag this low, this one I expect as a 3 wave, then any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. This is what I'm looking for. Because if the price could tag the previous low, we can confirm whether the price is going to continue and drop or whether it's going to reverse. Okay, this is the best option I'm looking for. Any opportunity for draw, that's mean if the price drop, at least tag the previous low. This is what I'm looking for. But it doesn't mean we have to wait for this option before we take the next trade. This is the best I'm looking for. Okay, that's mean if the price continue from here based on lower time frame, we will take the trade, and we considering we are trading within this correction. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break any of the previous top or not. Okay, and based on daily chart, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to weekly, sorry, forward chart, similar explanation. Okay, in a bigger frame, similar to what we explained based on daily chart. Okay, but if the price continue from here, any opportunity for buy within this range we will take as a short-term trade. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. But if I get the next drop, the price tag, previous low, there is no breakout, this is the best I'm looking for. Okay, because from there we can confirm for continuation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart, maybe we can expect this one as an internal flat, as a 1, 2, 4, 1 move up. Then from there, we want to see how far it can go. Does mean any opportunity for buy from here will be a short term, either as a flat or having entry, flag or having entry above the previous top. But it depends on the traders. For me, I'm not really interested to look for the trade at this point, at this time, because I don't see any trade setup. But we will follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.